In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can copy Instagram comments. So let's get started. First, open up the Instagram. You can go to any comment section you wanted to. And then the only thing you can do here is to take screenshot because you cannot copy directly. You can see that you can only report or block the account. So let's say I wanted to copy this comment. So simply take a screenshot by power button and volume down. If you are using Samsung, this is the combination key that you guys will get. If you guys are using Samsung, then you should go to gallery right now and take this screenshot. You should see T option over there. So tap there, and now you guys can literally copy this comment just by using this and simply copy, and you can paste this comment wherever that you guys wanted to. So let's say if you guys have other devices that doesn't pop like this, simply you need to download Lens from Google. So just download this Lens application. I have a link down under my description. So go to Lens and then simply open the screenshot that you guys have captured. Google will automatically scan this image, and now you can simply tap and you can simply copy and paste this comment wherever that you guys wanted to. So let's say I want to copy this now on Note. So you can see that I'm pasting this and it's working perfectly fine. So this is how you should copy Instagram comments. Hope this video helps you out on copying comments. See you guys in the next video. Peace.